Hey, what's going on, crew? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the crew, make sure you subscribe, get notified for more videos just like this. But if you're already a part of the crew, salute. Now, I've been using the Umidigi A9 for the last 3 weeks, and I've really been enjoying my experience with it. Kind of want to go into a 3-week review, talk about the things I like about this device, the things that do stand out, the things that separate it from, other devices in this price point. But Umidigi has been, like the underdog for like the last, I would say 6-7 years in the budget segment. I'm not even sure if they make profit off of their phones, you know what I'm saying, because they sell them for so cheap. But you know what I'm saying, they do manufacture these phones out in China and they get distributed globally, you know what I'm saying, Africa, Asia, Europe, United States, you know what I'm saying, things of that nature. But one of the things I could really say about Umidigi is that they're able to pack a ton of things into a small, you know what I'm saying, they pack a lot of stuff into a phone that is a small price, asking price. So this device right here is about $109.99, which is crazy. I'm not sure how they do it. I'm not even sure how they make profit off of these things, but I kind of just want to share with you my experiences with the A9 right now, in the last 3 weeks and things of that nature. We're going to talk about build quality, design, you know what I'm saying, display quality, camera quality, the multimedia on this device as well, the OS, how does the system work, the battery performance, and of course the gaming performance. So as far as the overall build quality and design, someone just went live. We have a plastic material on the back which actually feels really solid. Someone's calling me. And you know what I'm saying, it feels really solid. It's a plastic material, but it doesn't give you I'm really happy that Umidigi's made this device the way they did, because there's no fingerprints on this thing. The way they did it, it's like it's fingerprint retarded. You can't get fingerprints on this thing even if you tried. Even if you went out in the rain, came back with lotion hands or something like that, it's impossible. It's fingerprint retarded, meaning that it can't absorb fingerprints on this device. So they managed to put a really good material on this device, something that I really do feel like when I'm feeling it. It feels like a vinyl material. It feels like you're scratching a record player or something like that. Just a really solid overall material that they use. Even the buttons feel solid on here. We have volume rockers right above the power button. On the other side, we have a button right here that you can remap for anything. It lets you do that. Anything you want to do, you could do. You could open up the camera with that button. You can open up the you could open up the flashlight with that button. So I really like that button because it has a double click option, a single click option, and a hold option. So you can get 3 things out of this one button. Now, the one thing that it does have is a Type-C charging option, single firing speaker, and a headphone jack at the top, along with facial recognition, which is pretty zappy. It just opened up without me even swiping the screen or anything, and a fingerprint sensor on the back, which these things probably like really quick. They're really quick. This one you have to hit it dead center or else it doesn't open. Let me show you. Okay, that time I hit it dead center. That was dead center. So it's really quick. See, that time I missed. But if you hit it dead center every single time, it's gonna open. Audio quality and multimedia on this device. Now, does it get extremely loud? No, it doesn't get too loud. But it does get loud enough, especially when I'm in the bathroom and the fan is on and the shower's running. I could pretty much hear it, you know what I'm saying, faintly. It's not like gonna be where it's giving you that extra bass and you hear the speakers trembling and you get dual speakers or something like that. It's just a pretty decent experience for, you know what I'm saying, listening to multimedia, movies, things like that. So let me give you a quick audio sample. Oh, that's this. It's connected to the Bluetooth speaker. Hold on. All right, cool. So one thing I like about this device is in the Android 11 that this thing does have, you can easily switch between the speaker of your phone, Bluetooth devices, and also other media applications. So I could go from Spotify to, you know what I'm saying, the Bible app to Y Music that I was using. And then it even has, you know what I'm saying, Spotify there too. So you could, it has like this option where you could scroll between different audio. I think that's really cool on Android 11 as well. Now, the other thing I like about this device is, let me just play that quick audio real quick. Now the speaker is right below the chin of the phone. And you know what I'm saying, it's not that loud, it's not nothing too impressive, but for $190, it's actually pretty decent. It's better than a lot of other phones that I've heard for this price. I'm not sure that there's that many phones around for this price with Android 11, but you know what I'm saying, we do get some decent sound on this device for the price. It's probably like Bluetooth 4.0, so if you're connected to Bluetooth, it's not going to be like the most impressive. So they cut some corners to save money and things of that nature. Now, I did read that this is Gorilla Glass 3. I could be wrong, but I did read that it was Gorilla Glass 3. We have a 720 by 1600 display on this guy. And as far as the OS, is Android 11 with the security patch is going to be like something older than, I think, April. It's probably like January or something. Let me go into security so I could check that for you. But we got 42 gigabytes of storage free out of the 64 that it comes with, plus the 3 gigabytes of RAM. And on the security, like I said, I'm checking that right now to see what we're in December 2020 on this thing. So, but the Google Play system update is on April. So they keep it up to date when it comes to the Play Store and downloading apps and things like that. But as far as the security update, it's far behind. So just kind of want to throw that out there, let you know how they do it. The phone design is really nice. Like I said, you get that quad camera setup, 13 megapixel on the back, 8 megapixel for wide angle pictures, and then 2 megapixel for portrait. And I believe it's just a triple camera because I don't see a fourth camera. So you do get that 2 megapixel for macro. So let me show you when I'm gonna open up the camera right now. And as far as the portraits and the selfies, they do come out nice. You do get, I do see we have that wide angle mode. We do have portrait mode on here, but no macro. So that's how they did it this time. They didn't put a macro on this phone, but we do get a thermometer on this device as well as a gyroscope for gaming. Now, as far as the pixels on here, is looking at the screen display, you know what I'm saying? Well, the phone does come in 3 different colors: peacock, green, sky blue, and the third color is like granite gray. This is probably my favorite color out of all of them. And that green color is actually sick. I also like the black color too, but you know what I'm saying, I can only get one. So this is the sky blue one, my favorite one out of all the 3. The fingerprint sensor has this little ring, this little blue ring around it, so it kind of has a really nice design to it. Thermometer on the back as well. Android 11 on here, which is pretty crazy. Now we do get the Helio G25 on this device for gaming performance and things like that. The screen display is super sensitive. If I push anything on here, it opens by accident sometimes. It's not like it has a curve, the screen, where you hit accidentally, but it's like if you just touch something barely, it's gonna open up. So super sensitive display on this device, but it really does have some good scrolling speeds for the money and the processing chip that it offers. A competent device if you want to play, take a lot of pictures as well, and photography, even play some light gaming on here. So you know what I'm saying, the chipset is the Helio G25, which is a 12 nanometer processing chip, and it does have the Power VR GE8320 as well. So like I said, 10 watts fast charging is on here. You also do get the dual band Wi-Fi, as well as hotspot, screen recorder, and you know what I'm saying, just a lot of cool features. We also do get screencasts. So if you do want to watch, if you want to throw Netflix up on your TV from your phone and connect it, you could do that. I was doing that earlier on where I connected it to my 32-inch TCL device, and it looks really good. It looks really clean. We also have dark mode on here, and for the price, I really think this device holds up well. They also put like this app called Zello on here, which is like a walkie-talkie app, which is free. But you know what I'm saying, like, I don't think many people would be using it, so I kind of just don't use it because I don't know anybody else who uses the Zello walkie-talkie app. You could just pretty much text message people nowadays, even though we have so much communication. But the Zello one is cool because you could actually speak by holding a button, then they can listen to it like a walkie-talkie old school way. So if more people downloaded the app, it would definitely be something that I would use. And if it was more popular. This thing does have Bluetooth 5.0, I'm saying, and it does have the USB OTG, so I think that's cool as well. What else I want to talk about? Now, the picture quality comes out pretty decent. The microphones are also pretty decent as well. Battery on here, you get a 5,150 milliamp hour battery, I believe, on this guy. And that one is actually pretty decent too. It's not the best one that I've used as far as the battery. It's just okay. I got about 1 day on using the battery on this device, nothing more than that. So just keep that in mind. You will need to charge it past a day, you know what I'm saying. Keep it's the 5,150 milliamp hour battery in this guy. And you know what I'm saying, it was released pretty recent. This is the newest, besides this one, their newest one is the Umidigi A9 or something like that, which is their newest one, but this is the one that was released before that. And then the A9 Pro was released before this one. So this is still a good option. It has Android 11 on it. It has a lot of bells and whistles. You have the thermometer on here, the triple camera setup. Really great build quality, I can't stress that enough. As well as the sound stage is pretty decent. You also do get expandable storage on this one as well. But like I said, Umidigi has been an underdog for a long time in the smart world game, and you know, they've been putting out these small devices. This one actually connects to 4G on my Mint Mobile SIM, so I've been using it on Mint Mobile. This blue color is absolutely beautiful. I really love the color of this. You also get it in green and gray as well. But let me know what you guys think down below. I'll be in the comment section right now checking out what you guys have to say about the A9. But let me know what you guys think about this device. As always, make sure you hit the like button to show your support and appreciation, as well as hitting the bell icon so you can get subscribed for more videos. But I'm gonna get right back with you on the next video. But make sure you guys, I'll see you guys in the comment section so we could talk about the A9. And this phone for $109 is pretty crazy. But I'll get right back with you, crew, later. Peace.